right, we got another great video for you today on Foxx Life Sciences, and boy, oh boy, you're going to love this one. We've got our glass Carboys today with our Versacap technology. You're going to love this. But then we're also going to talk about our glass Pure Grip bottles, which are really cool, and also what we've done with our brand new Rhino coating. So super exciting video. Watch it to the very end. We got a lot of cool things on there. And we're going to start off like we always do with our introductions. So to my right, we got the one and only Insane Dwayne. That's right, guys.
Hello, everyone.
Let's go, Dwayne.
And he became super popular with this cowboy hat, and we can't get him out of here now. Everybody loves Insane Dwayne, but he is one of our key product managers that comes up with all kinds of ideas. And today we've got another Innovation Award. That's right. With these glass Carboys, the world's only glass Carboys with the 83 cap on them, and we're going to go through that. To my left, the head of operations here in North America, Lucas, who we nicknamed Luke Skywalker. That's right. So let's hear for Lucas, everybody.
Thank you.
All right. And then down at the end, we got the rookie. The rookie is here again. So
howdy, everyone.
Hey, pretty awesome. The rookie.
Why are you wearing my hat?
Your hat? I mean, I don't know. I heard you were getting a little popular. I thought we could try out the Insane Rookie.
The Insane Rookie. All right.
Wow.
What about that, huh?
I'm the only insane Dwayne over here. There is no insane rookie.
Okay.
Uh-oh.
Things getting serious here.
And the hat comes off.
All right. You're going to have to take the hat off, rookie. That is absolutely Dwayne. Whoa.
What's going on?
Oh, no. Not Mr. Rhino.
Podcast. How come the rookie took my place?
Oh, Rhino, I'm sorry.
Uh-oh.
I got here first.
Uh-oh. Not good. We got Mr. Rhino lost his seat to the rookie.
Okay, that's fine. Let me show what this bottle is capable of.
Whoa.
Did you break that?
Did he break it?
No, it's a rhino.
Whoa.
Let's go.
All right, there you go.
Awesome.
There's Mr. Rhino, everybody. This guy's a superstar, and he's the one that came up back in his little lab working the last 2 years on this proprietary, super cool coating. And you're going to hear more and more about this bottle. We got T-shirts, we got mugs, we got hats. Mr. Rhino, you're going to love it. But guess what? This thing, you can throw it up in the air. You can do whatever you want. It doesn't break. And even if you got it up maybe on the Empire State Building where it did fall and break, it stays in. The glass stays within the coating. So absolutely awesome bottle for your lab, so you don't have to worry about cleaning up all of that glassware. And this is borosilicate 3.3 Type 1.
That's right.
With the Rhino coating on the outside of it. But you're going to see what else we've used this Rhino coating on in this video. So pretty exciting. And we're going to start right off with a short video from Dan the Man out back. And we're going to show you this Carboy line, and then we're going to talk about it a little bit, and then we're going to jump into the glass bottles. Quick video for you. You're going to love this one for sure. But let's go ahead. Dan the Man, go ahead, cue it up, and let's take a look at this video. We've got another great short for you today from Foxx Life Sciences. That's right, the glass Carboys with Versacap Technology. Take a look at that. The world's only 50 liter with a 120 cap. We've got 20 liter, 10 liter, and 5 liter Carboys. But we're not done. Take a look at these beautiful flasks with secure glass caps, GL45s, and look at that, Fox George roller bottle. That's right. And how about the bottle line? With those Versacaps, you can hold that bottle without any issue. The full range. As we come over, what about that? Oh, all right, so we got a wide range of glassware here at Foxx. We are the exclusive distributor for Borosil. Borosil was part of Corning, started in 1962. Corning spun that off, fiber optics, Gorilla Glassware, and believe it or not, it's its own public company now and one of the biggest glassware companies in the world. We hold over 500 SKUs of this glassware in stock that we ship in 24 hours. And, no question about it. We've got all of that, beakers, anything you can think, Petri dishes, we got it all with the glassware. But then we have our own glass bottles, glass Carboys, glass flasks, And why? Because all of our proprietary, really cool patented cap stuff, and we're going to show you that. But let's start with the Carboys, because these things are super cool. As everybody knows, the Carboys that are out there, our competitors, basically is a Carboy either with a big, wide cap on it, which has got limited thread engagement. But the most popular version is with the rubber stopper, and that's been around for over 100 years. So we took all of our technology, Versacap technology, secure grass technology, from all of our plastic bottles and Carboys and incorporated that into the glass Carboys. So what you see here is a beautiful 3.3 borosilicate type 1, and we're able to put on these incredible 83 millimeter threads. And now with the gasket, you've got a clean seal, and you come down over the top, and then boom, just like that, you're sealed up with this platinum cured silicone gasket. So really nice product. You get it with a solid cap. You can get it with an open cap, so you can use the overmold from some of the different suppliers out there or ourselves. And then you have the molded in adapter system with all the different hose barbs, 2s, 3s, 4s, so you can do a lot of things in the lab. We also have this with the quick disconnects, the CPCs and others, Eldon James. So lots of different configurations. But now you have the complete Carboy line from Foxx with all of these caps and Versacap systems. But now you also have it on the glassware side. And this is the Carboy line, 5 liter, 10 liter. Show the rookie down there. Take a look at that. And then we have a 20 liter. Take a look at that for all the vaccine manufacturers. Absolutely amazing. And as you know, we have the world's largest plastic Carboys. We had the world record at 75 liters. Then we just came out with our 115, 120 liter. And now we have the world's largest glass. And take a look. We got some special guests, Mr. Rhino and Alice. Take a look at that, a 50-liter glass Carboy.
How did you guys even do that?
Yeah, that thing's huge,
That's
right?
crazy.
And hold up one sec, come back. But you can see that not only can we do all the adapters, connectors, but this has got a dry powder funnel that you can do. We can do all kinds of connectivity. We can do tri-clamps, 3-inch, 4-inch, whatever you want. So lots of options, and now you have a full line of glass Carboys from Foxx also.
Awesome.
This whole pure grip line's pretty crazy.
Wow.
All right, so Lucas, absolutely awesome. We've got some incredible Carboys. So the question to you and everyone back in the lab is, okay, what's the lead time on these amazing Carboys?
So the cool thing is that the product is in stock, available to ship in 24, 48 hours. So
24, 48 hours?
24, 48 hours.
So Rookie, did you hear that? That's our
I
brand
did.
new Mid-Atlantic salesperson down there. You have no excuse. You got the coolest product, super cool Versacap, and he can ship it in 24 to 48 hours?
I know. Pretty incredible.
Are you ready?
I'm ready.
All right, so everybody in New Jersey, Pennsylvania, on Long Island, you got to give her a call and she will hook you up. All right, so that's the Carboy line. And what's really awesome about that is we're also going to be able to rhino coat this. This is that same coating, but we're going to talk about that a little bit more, because now what we're going to show you is our patented GL45 cap. And we're going to walk through that. And why is that significant? Because we can go 1 port, 2 port, 3 port, 4 port, all this stuff he's going to talk about. But we're going to show you the whole bottle range. So right before we do that, I'm going to have Dan the Man queue up another video just on the bottle manufacturing and our overall glass line. So Dan the Man, you ready? Let's go ahead and do it. Let's run that short video. That's the other thing. You can filter right into our glass bottles with our autofill bottle top filter line. Kind of like that music.
You guys are, the DJ's killing it lately.
Yeah.
So much capability in one product.
Got the pouring ring on there.
Awesome.
All right, there you have it, guys. And if you haven't, definitely check out our YouTube channel. No question about it. All kinds of great videos. We do all kinds of posts on there. We've got polls, trivia, you know, all the discount codes. But more than that, the short videos, long videos, instruction videos. So you get to see a little bit of all of that. Plus
Talk
our
about the
new-
shorts, right?
And plus now our podcast videos with it. But let's jump right into these bottles because in our view, you know, bottles have been the same for years and years and years. We came up with the patented Pure Grip with the Versacap technology, and now we have that on all of the bottles.
All of them.
And we'll have Dwayne walk through it. But this is significantly a big advantage over the existing products that are out there. We also have a wider temperature range, a really nice, you know, grip when you're coming, lifting this thing up so you don't drop the bottle. But where do we start? What's the smallest bottle? Walk us all the way up through the largest bottle. Insane Dwayne. Let's hear for Dwayne. Take it away.
Yeah, thank you, Tom. So what we have for the glass bottles is the lowest one starts from 100 ml. So we have the smallest one there. Then it goes to 150. Then we have 250. We have 500. We have 1 liter, 2 liter. We have 3 liter as well, 5 liter, 10 liter, and then we also have 20 liter in glass bottles. So all the glass bottles that you see are GL45, have GL45 neck. They come with Versacap technology, so there's no twisting of tubing. You can just turn your caps, easy to handle. So yeah, this is perfect. And then we also offer amber bottles if someone is interested in light sensitive applications. So that's something for our customers.
Yeah, it's a super cool cap, patented in India, China, North America, Europe, and originally on our plastic bottles. Then we carried it across onto our glass bottles. One FYI, on our website, Shop FLS, they have the exclusive on these caps, and there is a difference. Even though the outside of the cap looks exactly the same, the inside threads and the way it seals is different because a glass bottle is a lot thicker than a plastic bottle. But no question about it, super duper cool. But we're not done with that because before we turn it over to this guy, Luke Skywalker, let's go back to Mr. Rhino and Liche and take a look at this. We've got, wow.
Oh, wow.
We've got the glass bottles with Rhino coating now.
Yes, it's a 10 liter, guys, with the GL45 and all coated. So, hey,
You want to see this? Let's see if it actually breaks. Go ahead, guys.
3,
What?
2,
What?
1.
Oh, God.
Oh!
Big boom.
Wow.
Did it break
What?
yet? It's a rhino.
Oh!
Let's go.
All right, there you have it. So you just got to see a 10-liter glass bottle get dropped, and with that Rhino coating, didn't even break. And even if it did break, all the glass would stay inside.
Glass bottles. We have the GL45 technology that these guys have been talking about. We have the GL45 also on the George Roller bottle with on the glass bottle, and we have the same technology on the Erlenmeyer flasks in glass, 3.3 borosilicate glass type 1 as well. All of them with the GL45 technology. This cap technology, as I always mention, it comes with the 2 ports, 3 ports, and 4 ports, 1/8 inch, and also a 1/4 inch with the 2 ports. We also have 3 ports with 1/8 inch. So much capability inside this product.
Good.
All right, well, definitely hit that like button so we can get this video out to everyone. Slam that subscribe button because you're going to get to see all kinds of great videos. And thank you so much for watching Foxx Life Sciences.